Hi, I'm Uncle Mark. We'll be quick. You just want to know how to change the oil message light on your dash here. We'll show you how. If you like video, give me the thumbs up after, and you can also subscribe. I've got more videos step-by-step on repairs to the same kind of vehicle. So let's get right to it. It's not going to take any tools, which is kind of nice. You'll need your keys though. I'm just going to show you that you see the message there to the right. As it's running, it eventually goes out, I believe, but comes back on again. So you want to shut the vehicle off and then turn the key to run, not accessory, run, but don't start it. You want the radio off. Now you want to hold your tune button down, just hold it. It's going to take maybe 10 seconds. Keep holding it, and then you should see the display say settings up here. Keep all there it went. See? So now you can let go. Now press seek. Well, you can actually toggle through it till it says oil life, and then press 2, and that'll say reset. Now let go, and we're gonna have to press the tune button one more time, and it says done. Now you can just turn the key off or turn the radio on and do something else. It's that easy. Now if we take a look again, we'll start it up. Make sure it's out. Yeah, it's not coming on. Look at that. We did pretty good, didn't we? It was that easy. Just have to remember this for next time. Well, that's going to do it for this video. Hopefully you liked it. Give me the thumbs up if you did. You can subscribe down in the corner if you haven't. Check out the playlist on this car right up there. And check out the channel too. I do step-by-step videos. Usually they're how-to. You can do it at home with some basic tools in your garage, maybe even in your driveway. Till next time, Uncle Mark saying bye-bye for now. Thanks. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. Hi, I'm Uncle Mark. I'm Uncle Mark.